Here we go. 5lidstrom's box 1213. Panini certified. So good luck, buddy. And nice, we got you the hot box. The hot box. So all the base mirrors will be shipped. I won't read them all off for the sake of saving a bit of time, but there you go. Mirror red, number to 199, Nazem Kadri. Mittens. Freshman signatures, number to 999, Casey Cizikas. We've got a fabric of the game, mirror red die cut, number to 150, Scott Clemenson. We've got a Masked Marvels mirror number to 75, Ryan Miller. Immortals number to 999, Brendan Shanahan. Fabric of the game mirror number to 75, Chris Neal. We've got a certified stars to 999, John Tavares. Fabric of the game mirror number to 75, Matt Duchene. We've got a Pat to the Cup number to 399, Mikkel Bodker and Michael Frolik. Am I reading that right? Did I get that text? Drew Miller just tied the game? Wow, what a train wreck of a game that is. But at least I'm happy about it now. And base pack. Well, base pack. And base. So there we go, buddy.